Welcome to this video on AI productivity hacks, where we'll be exploring the top 5 ways to use AI to boost your income and streamline your workflow. In this video, we'll be covering a range of topics, from automated task management to AI-powered investment tracking, and we'll be sharing real-life examples of how these hacks have helped people just like you to achieve their financial goals. First up, let's talk about Method 1, using Zapier to automate your task management. Zapier is a powerful AI tool that allows you to automate a wide range of tasks, from sending emails to creating spreadsheets, and it's completely free to use. For example, you can use Zapier to automate your social media scheduling, so that you can focus on more important things, like creating content and engaging with your audience. Next up, let's talk about Method 2, using IFTTT to streamline your workflow. IFTTT is another powerful AI tool that allows you to automate a wide range of tasks, from sending notifications to creating calendar events, and it's also completely free to use. For example, you can use IFTTT to automate your email marketing, so that you can focus on more important things, like creating products and services that your customers will love. Now let's talk about Method 3, using AI to create and sell online courses. This is a great way to make passive income, and it's easier than ever to get started, thanks to AI tools like Udemy and Teachable. For example, you can use AI to create video lessons, quizzes, and assessments, and then sell them on platforms like Udemy and Teachable. But that's not all, we also have a bonus tip for you. Did you know that you can use AI to invest in the stock market and potentially earn thousands of dollars in passive income? It's true, and it's easier than ever to get started, thanks to AI tools like Robinhood and eToro. For example, you can use AI to create a portfolio of stocks and then track their performance over time so that you can make informed decisions about when to buy and sell. Finally, let's talk about how you can take action and start using these AI productivity hacks to boost your income and streamline your workflow. The first step is to sign up for a free trial of Zapier or IFTTT, and then start exploring the different automation options that are available to you. From there, you can start using AI to create and sell online courses and invest in the stock market and potentially earn thousands of dollars in passive income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on AI productivity hacks and other topics related to finance and entrepreneurship.